All right, this is a quick tutorial that hopefully will help you with understanding the idea of strumming on a ukulele. I see so many videos and helpful hints about down, up, down, up, and you'll go out of your mind trying to learn that stuff because it's so robotic that it's not really music. It doesn't have any feeling behind it when you just try to follow those D's and U's on the page. You'll go crazy. The idea is, think of your ukulele as a percussion instrument. Think of it like the old-fashioned washboard, the guy that used to play it in those Jugtown bands. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to deaden the strings by putting your left hand on the strings so that they don't make any sound. And you can hear it's a percussion instrument ultimately because each string has a different level of sound, like a set of drums. I have a hi-hat, a snare, a bass drum, and a tom-tom. These also do that same effect. So you have to get used to having a pattern that sounds rhythmic that you can play with your right hand, regardless of what the left hand is doing. So just strum until you get something. You can practice this without a ukulele at all. Just tap on a piece of paper, tap on your desk. You can do it on your shirt. Tap your foot. Get that down so that it feels like something. Once you have that, everything else comes rather easy. I mean, we all know what the C chord is, right? You hold the 3rd fret of the 1st string and do the exact same thing. Let it go. I'm not thinking about up, down, down, up, up. I'm just... And you can change it. You can do any kind of rhythm that you want. Hope that helps you.